Today, we'll take a look at how to grill with grill plates. To make different kinds of meats and sides, you always have to start with what takes the longest to grill. I have about a 1 kilogram beef tomahawk here. It's a big piece of meat, so it needs to be salted well on all sides. And for such a large piece of meat, I recommend using a probe thermometer. That steak costs a fortune, and if you mess it up, you'll regret it. For me, 57 degrees is ideal. The whole thing will take place on this hot new product from Divis Blacksmithing. It's the Kedar Crystal Nero Grill. A beautiful design piece made of black steel. That makes you want to grill your own hands. Sear the tomahawk for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I only heated 1/2 of the grill. Then I finished the steak on the grilling rack. In the other half of the grill, the thermometer showed something like 120 degrees. Perfect. Wait a few minutes until the app reports the total preparation time. It came up as 19 minutes. You then place it on the grill based on how long it takes to prepare. I placed the vegetables on the other half of the grill, the one that was shining for me. Peppers, chili, asparagus, and spring onions. Of course, you mustn't forget to salt the vegetables. Last time you saw that you can make fried eggs on the steel plate. And you see that you can easily make potato pancakes on it too, and it doesn't stick. I prepared the batter at home according to the recipe I have on my profile. Now you have to hustle a bit around the grill. Watch everything, turn it so it doesn't burn, and have it ready at the same time. When flipping the potato pancake, you need to grease the griddle a bit again. And on the hotter part of the grill, you place the pork chops. Of course, you salted them first. And what would a session be without grilled sausages? And look, everything's going, everything's sizzling. And lastly, the chicken goes on the grill. I marinated it in grilling spices. It only needs 4 to 5 minutes in total. During that time, the app chimed, so I took the beef steak to rest for 5 minutes. Birds are singing, cars are driving by, and you're already tuning it all. For me, it's all good. What do you say? Slice the chicken at a slight angle. It looks a bit better that way. There was a lot, so I tossed it into the wok, which can also be used on the grill. Pork chops with bone are among my favorite pieces on the grill. I might love gnawing on the bone the most. Don't you dare throw it away. I'm sensitive about that, like a redhead in the sun. Potato pancakes nice and crispy. Delicate onion. Rattlesnake. Before you add another layer, sprinkle it with flake salt. For such a beauty, freshly ground kampot pepper is great. Spicy chili peppers, grilled bell peppers. Crispy pork sausages. This is what you want to eat, man. You'll find a code in the description for that grill accessory rack for free. See ya.